Hello dear students, today we are going to start chapter number 6, Obedience to Elders. Here dear students, first you have to read the chapter and listen to the audio carefully and understand the chapters. So here there are 3 stories about. First one, a little lamb, a boy who hurt himself, and the third one is Richard the King of England. So here when you read the chapter, you will come to understand that there is a little lamb. First story is about little lamb. Okay, the little lamb was very naughty and he was disobedient. वो कोई बात किसी की मानता नहीं था बड़ों की. And he ran away from the group somewhere. Sometimes he did not know that it was dangerous to be alone. उसे पता नहीं था कि अकेले रहना कितना खतरनाक हो सकता है. There were wolves in the nearby forest. The little lamb received several scoldings from the elders. Then, yet he roamed alone. ओके, अलोन मीन्स वो अकेला घूमता रहता था यहाँ वहाँ माउंटेन साइड के पास. वन डे द लिटिल लैम्ब वेंट टू फार एंड कुड नॉट फाइंड हिज वे बैक. मीन्स इसी तरह वो कहीं पर चला गया और वो रास्ता नहीं ढूंढ पा रहा था, वो गुम गया. एज इट ग्रू डार्क मीन्स इट वॉज नाइट टाइम. ही बिकेम फ्राइटेंड, वो डर गया एंड ही स्टार्टेड टू ब्लीट. द ब्लीट इज द साउंड मेड बाय द लैम्ब. ओके, द darker it becomes, the louder the lamb cried. वो रोने लगा. A wolf was prowling near the mountain. एक wolf था जो यहाँ वहाँ घूम रहा था और वो he heard the bleating of little lamb and the wolf saw him and was very happy because he became the food of the wolf. This lamb became the food of the wolf. How nice, my dinner is ready in front of me, he said. Okay, the little lamb did not get a chance to correct his mistake. यानी उसको अपनी मिस्टेक को सुधारने का वक्त नहीं मिला. एंड देन व्हाट हैपेंड? इन द सेम वे some children do not obey their parents and sometimes the result of disobedience of children is serious, and that is of the little lamb. In the same way it was also. Then one day a boy named Simon, see here in this page you can see that there is a boy. His name is Simon, and what happened with him? He was playing with a knife and the boy said, "Oh mom, you don't worry too much. I know how to handle a knife without hurting myself." Then what happened? He took a knife in his hand and he was playing it. He continued to cut the stick. What he was doing is he was cutting a stick. Then what happened? He continued to cut the stick. As he chopped the stick slipped from his hand and the knife stuck to the boy's index finger. What happened to the index finger? He hurt himself. Then the boy was taken to the hospital, and what happened? It was a serious matter. Then what happened? The doctor said that he has to remove the index finger, which was cut into 2 halves. Okay, in the same way this boy also he did not listen to his mother, and what happened? His index finger has to be cut off. Okay, then what happened? Disobedience poses a serious problem. Some children disobey their parents and teachers also. This is what happens. So some children obey them simply because they are afraid of punishment. But good children obey their parents and teachers because they have cultivated good manners. Okay, so obedience make you a disciplined person. When you obey your parents or elders, what will happen? You will be in discipline. Okay, in a disciplined manner, and it not only makes you happy but also your parents and teachers. Disobedience, what happened? Discipline will make you happy but your parents also and teachers also. So obey your parents when they tell you to learn your lesson, do your homework, dress neatly, take bath and comb your hair, not to watch television for long. So there are another reason why you should obey. When you grow up, you will find that when you will be given guidelines and instruction to your younger ones, you will accept them to obey you. Okay, if you obey your elders, you can also make obey others to you. Okay, other will also obey to you. In the same way, this is the third story, Richard the Lion-Hearted King of England. He was a king of England and he was in the battlefield. Battlefield means जो रणभूमि होती है जहाँ पर लड़ाई युद्ध चलता है, ओके, बैटल फील्ड. द किंग ऑफ फ्रांस वॉज द कमांडर इन चीफ ऑफ द कंबाइंड आर्मी ऑफ यूरोप. He was the commander in chief. Okay, Richard was given the rear guard duty, means it is given the duty of rear guard, different duty. He was supposed to stay at the back. Okay, there was not enough action at the back and King Richard grew restless. He came in front and asked the commander how the war was processing. What happened? He came in front and what he said to the commander how the war was processing. Then he did not answer but let Abbot Domitius speak. The Abbot said, "We will not win the war because there is a widespread disobedience among the soldiers." What happened? He said that हम लोग नहीं जीत पाएंगे इस जंग को हम नहीं जीत पाएंगे क्योंकि यहाँ पर बहुत डिसओबीडियंस है, सोल्जर्स की डिसओबीडियंस है. क्यों? वाई? बिकॉज रिचार्ड सेड एवरी डिसओबीडियंट सोल्जर्स शैल बी सीवियरली पनिश्ड. ओके, व्हाट ही सेड कि हर डिसओबीडियंट सोल्जर को सीवियरली पनिशमेंट मिलनी चाहिए. ही सेड. देन द कमांडर सेड, योर मैजेस्टी, देन यू शैल बी पनिश्ड फर्स्ट. जो इनके कमांडर थे उन्होंने क्या कहा? आपको सबसे पहले पनिशमेंट मिलनी चाहिए. क्यों? क्योंकि आपने ही सबसे पहले डिसोबीडियंट किया. बिकॉज यू हैव डिसोबेड माई ऑर्डर एंड लेफ्ट योर रेयर गार्ड ड्यूटी. आपने जो पीछे से देखने की ड्यूटी थी आपकी, वो सबसे पहले आपने ही अपनी ड्यूटी को छोड़ करके आप यहाँ कमांड करने आए हो. रिचार्ड बेग द कमांडर पार्डन एंड रिटर्न टू हिज पोस्ट. रिचार्ड ने उनसे माफ़ी मांगी और वो अपनी पोस्ट पर पीछे बैक साइड वापस चले गए. द किंग कुड कमांड ओबीडियंस बिकॉज ही ओबेड. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, obedience is very important thing. Okay, and there are some activities also, so this we are going to do in the next video. So dear students, you have to read the chapter carefully and you have to understand the chapter. Okay, thank you.